So I'm sure most of you are waiting to hear what would the program have, right? So it's a holistic approach where we are working on every component that is within our reach. Okay, so it's a holistic program, and it starts off with understanding your body. So we take a very detailed history through a comprehensive history form to understand the whole body, understand the symptoms of entire part of the body. We understand your digestion, we understand about your sleep, about your stress, everything, because the body is interconnected. We get certain comprehensive investigations done, which will help us further understand what's going wrong in the system. Once we have the history details and the blood investigations, we analyze the data and make a personalized treatment plan, which will have first a hormone balancing nutrition plan, which is going to heal your body. Second, a targeted supplement plan. Third, things to work on your gut and support the liver. And all this is very personalized, right? Because every body is different, and the way your symptoms are different, the other person's symptoms are different. So it's a very personalized approach that we take. And Siddharth talked largely about the stress management techniques, and you could experience that as well.
Correct. So we will be covering many more. Very simple, just how you saw, this is so simple, right? What we did just now. Similarly, very, very simple techniques which will help you address the root in your mind. Okay. That is on the point number 4. The next thing is the body, when you're, let's say, sitting like this, body is still consuming a lot of energy, right? Do you know where is the largest amount of energy consumed? It is in your digestion. 70 to 80% of the body's energy is getting used up in the digestive system. When so much energy is used in the digestive system, not enough is available for healing. We will be giving you the entire guidance how you can bring in your lifestyle a process of fasting without eating solid food, only drinking fresh liquid juices. Okay, you will see it works like magic. In fact, in the video that we played in the beginning, right, where people were sharing their experience of the program, many of them were actually talking about the juice fasting program, that we took them through. So like that, we will also be telling you or sharing many, many simple tools that you can use, techniques that you can use to connect back to nature. Because our body is designed to work in connection with nature, in sync with nature. When we break this connection, naturally we start falling sick, or our health starts going down, both physical and mental, emotional. Right? So once again, we will be equipping you, we'll be teaching you simple methods with which you can actually learn how to live a much more conscious, much more mindful life, and you can therefore start making the right choices in your life. All of this will be shared with you.
And there is a difference between, us just making a protocol for you and giving it to you and you start implementing, right? But when you have an entire community, right? You have an entire group who is also in the same journey, you feel inspired. So in this program, we have 5 live sessions, which will happen one every week. And in this session, each session will talk about one pillar of the approach. So 5 sessions for 5 pillars. So in each session, we dive deeper into that cause and give you the action plans. How can you address that factor, right? So each approach, each pillar is covered in each live session. So you have the tools, and now you're equipped, you're empowered to go out and implement it. So rather than, swinging between bad health and good health, you now have, you are now empowered why you should do this, why you should not do that. And you have the entire community to inspire you, to motivate you, right? That's I think that's what we have seen in our earlier sessions. It's the motivation, the support that you get from the community, which helps you implement it and make the changes that you are making be a part of your life. And apart from this live session, so there will be a one personalized call for each participant where you can ask your questions related to the treatment plan that you get. And of course, we'll have the live sessions where we will have interactions, and there will be support over WhatsApp where you can keep sharing your experiences and you can keep asking us questions.